Hey, how's it going? We are doing a video today. Got me some fan mail from Tristan. He sent me a letter. I'm not going to read the whole thing out, but it's letting me know Tristan sent me something from Oklahoma. Been watching for a little over a year, somewhere between a year and 2 years now. Really enjoys watching me drive across America. Sometimes he sits by to see if he can see the truck pass by as we go by. Like I say, I'm not reading this out, word for word, just to get the gist. He would appreciate an autograph from me. Just wanting to know if he can get an autograph. If not, definitely understand, but don't worry, you're gonna get one. Putting it in the mail today. Really wants to be a truck driver too. Wants to travel around America and get paid to do it. That's a good way to do it. It really is. And wants to know if life on the road is easy or hard. Well, it can be easy for most of the part. I've been doing it for a long time, so I'm used to it. But it can get hard, spending time away from your family and being gone for months at a time. It takes a toll on people. Or it takes a toll on you. When you do that, that's probably the hardest thing about truck driving, is staying gone for so long before you get to come back in, and then only getting to stay a few days before you have to leave back out. That's probably, for me, the hardest thing right now. Like I said, I've been doing it for a long time. He's got a lot of questions, but don't want to ask too many. But that's okay. You can ask me anything you want to. Anytime I can answer a question, I'll do it. But as far as tips on trucking, well, you have to ask me the questions before I can give you the tips on trucking. So I can't think that far ahead. But anytime you have a question, if you don't want to get on one of my videos and ask it, send me a letter. And I'll definitely send something back. I'll definitely answer you back. No matter how many questions you got, I'll give you what I can answer. That's for sure. So, what we got here, now I don't know how well you can see it, but we've got you a picture autographed from me, Tasha, and Haber. Putting it in the mail today. Thank you for the very first fan letter that I've ever received. That is awesome. This is going out in the mail today, so it should be to your house in a few days. If I get this uploaded today, hopefully I get it uploaded before it gets to you. We also put your name on it. So, look for it in the mail. Alright, so now we got the fan mail out. I do appreciate it. If you want to send your own fan mail from here, look at the link in the description of some of my videos, not all of them. But anyway, appreciate it, Tristan. We got it out. If you've not received but the autograph within a few days from seeing this video, if you get to see it, hopefully you do, send me another letter. Let me know that it didn't come, and I'll send you another one. Resend it just in case. I don't know. I've never had to do this before. So anyway, appreciate it. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next video.